cup of cleaned mushroom, chop them into pieces. Next, to a mixer jar, add 1 onion, 1 cup of coriander leaves, mint leaves, and blend it. Next, to kadai, add oil, add 2 to 3 cinnamon, cloves, star anise, bay leaves, add 1 cup of sliced onion, fry the onion for 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, add garam masala, mix it well and fry it for 2 minutes. Add 1 cup of tomato puree, add 1 tablespoon of chilli powder, coriander powder, garam masala, add salt as per your taste, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of curd, add 3 green chilies. Mix everything well. Add chopped mushroom and fry it for 2 minutes. Let oil separate. Now add half kg of soaked basmati rice. Add 1.5 cup of water. One teaspoon of lime juice. Mix it well. Sprinkle some mint leaves, coriander leaves. Now close the lid and cook for 20 minutes in medium flame. Now the dish is ready to serve. For more videos, like, share and subscribe.